Ian's devastation began to come into focus a day after making landfall in Florida, as one of the strongest hurricanes ever to hit the U.S. The storm flooded homes on both the state's coasts, cut off the only bridge to a barrier island, destroyed a historic waterfront pier, and knocked out electricity to 2.67 million Florida homes. Footages from the Fort Myers area, a few miles west of where Ian struck land, showed homes ripped from their slabs, deposited among shredded wreckage. Businesses near the beach were completely razed, leaving just twisted debris. Broken docks floated at odd angles beside damaged boats, and fires smoldered on lots where houses once stood. Damaged boats and structures are seen in the aftermath of Hurricane Ian. Some trees and power poles were uprooted. By the time 24 hours had passed since Ian made landfall, people in Fort Myers were cleaning up the mess Ian made to their homes and businesses, or wandered around in awe of what the storm had turned the city into. As Ian continued moving northeast, heavy rain and flooding has been reported in the Orlando area, where 8 to 12 inches of rain had already fallen, and up to 4 more inches of rain was expected.